Good morning guys from beautiful Sydney. I am currently here on a 6-day trip. Tomorrow we are flying to Christchurch, New Zealand, which is a new destination for me. I've never been to Christchurch before and I'm really looking forward to exploring the city. But I'm really excited to be back in Sydney after a year and a half because Sydney was one of my very first flights as cabin crew, so I'm just super excited to be back. Today we're going to Bondi Beach with a couple of crew. I've heard lots of good about that place and I'm just like, you know, excited to have a beautiful lunch, see the beach, see the view and everything. The weather is beautiful as well. Let me show you outside. I don't know if you can see, but it's really sunny. People are having coffee, and speaking of coffee, I definitely need another one. And yeah, I thought it will be very fun to take you along with me on this multi-sector trip because, you know, usually I just do like a layover video and that's it. And this is like a spend a week with me kind of video, which I love doing. So I'm gonna be showing you what I get up to in those next few days here in Australia as well as New Zealand. Anyways, I'm gonna go grab my jacket now and we're gonna make our way to Bondi Beach. So I'll film when we get there.
In the evening, then you come around, spin my world upside down, taught me how to fly higher, higher. 'Cause when you spin me all around, I can't stop the feeling, and it's true, I'm in paradise. It's hard to believe it, 'cause when you spin me all around, my head stops to reason. So please help me understand. You wanna stay with me now.
Bondi Beach hair situation. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh my goodness. You're so cute. Sydney. Sydney, come here. Oh, her name is just perfect. Our food is here. Wow, that's amazing. Yummy. So Nicholas thought it was a good idea to put his picture on my screensaver. Guilty. Show me those eyes. Show me those guilty eyes. Guys, this is the most beautiful dog. Oh my god. It's so fluffy, I want to die! So we're just casually walking on the street and we see this box.
I just finished mine
Take
today.
one, leave one. Let's see what books do they have here in Australia.
In the kids.
What?
What is the black one?
Skinny bitch in the
Oh, Lovely Bones is a very sad movie. Secret Spies and Spotted Dog.
Swap journal.
Hello.
Hello. We're back in the city now, and this is the Harbour Bridge. And guys, look at the people over there. They're doing the Harbour Bridge climb. I don't know if you can see, but how crazy is that? It's 5:30 p.m. so we're super tired because we landed almost 12 hours ago. Can you tell from our faces? Sorry. Can you tell from our faces we're tired?
Oh yeah.
Guys, who thinks that Michaela looks like Jennifer Lawrence? Anybody? Anybody agrees? Do you agree? Should we ask random people?
We should. Random people.
Guys, do you think she looks like Jennifer Lawrence?
Yeah, looks similar.
Similar, you see? She has something like about her face. Okay, look there. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Look with the eyes.
Yeah, I feel like she definitely looks like Jennifer Lawrence.
I feel like the lighting here is very unflattering.
Let me know in the comments if you agree. I think she definitely looks like Jennifer Lawrence. Yes! We found her doppelganger. Yay. There we go, from Sweden.
If you ever need me,
J-Lo hit me up. Dinner time. Let's find a table. Perfect. Yeah, that's amazing. Oprah Kitchen, that's the place where we are eating our dinner. Let's see, we all order burgers. For me, please. Thank you.
Look at this food, guys.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Hey guys, so I'm back in the hotel. Sorry about my ridiculous pink pajamas, but I just wanted to get into bed as soon as possible because I'm so tired now. I still need to remove my makeup and have a quick shower, but I just wanted to say that today was such a fun day. The crew is amazing. I'm so happy to be on a multi-sector trip with these great people, and I'm really looking forward to tomorrow because we're flying to Christchurch, and I think it's gonna be a beautiful day as well. We're gonna be like probably hiking and just being outdoors again. We had a great fun today at Bondi Beach, just walking around, laughing, enjoying food, coffee, you know, it was really nice. So yeah, it was a great day, and I'm excited about sleep. Our wake up is super early tomorrow. It's like 4:50 in the morning, so I have about 8 hours of sleep ahead of me, and I can't wait to catch up on sleep. I'm gonna say goodnight now, and I'll catch you in New Zealand. Hey guys, so we just got to Christchurch. It's about 3 p.m. now, and it's Friday afternoon. I just changed quickly to a comfy outfit. As you can see, I'm wearing leggings and a hoodie because we are about to go on a tour with an ex-crew, and he's gonna show us around Christchurch, so it should be really nice. Hello. How are we doing today?
It's me again.
It's him again. Oh, how are we doing today?
They're
Who's
tired.
speaking here? Hi.
They're tired, but I'm in Christchurch.
Yeah, we're in beautiful Christchurch, going to this place. What's the name of the place, Martin? Awaroa. That's where we're going. It's about 30 minutes away, so we should be there soon. Oh, I wanted to ask as well, at the airport I saw it's written Haramai? Yeah?
Haramai.
And then the other one was Kaiori?
Kia ora.
Kia ora. That one.
Yeah. Kia ora.
What's the difference? Aren't they both welcome?
So kia ora is greetings in New Zealand, Maori, and harimai means like to come,
To come.
or
Okay.
follow me. Harimai.
Pushing the past again, no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love.
This is one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to. Just, it's unreal. It's simply unreal. I just think that the camera doesn't do the colors and the place justice, you know?
driver. She cannot sit still. She cannot sit still. Oh my god!
I know I want to lie, my hips don't lie, I'm starting to feel it's right.
Jennifer Lawrence is slaying today.
And you're free for the others, my lovers.
Oh yeah. This view, this musician on my left, this amazing driver from Trinidad and Tobago. I mean, this amazing half Italian, half German guy, two beautiful Korean guys. Hello, hello. Best road trip ever, what can I say?
Early morning road trip brought us here. We rented this little minivan from the hotel and we're going to Arthur's Pass National Park. So we finally reached Arthur's Pass. I mean, at least we're in the area. And now we're gonna go ask where to find the waterfall. And it's still raining. Shame. Daniel got us raincoats. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks. So we're ready for the rain. This is the New Zealand's national bird. It's almost extinct.
All the information.
Okay, so the tour guide, hello.
Hi, my name is Daniel. A beautiful park we have here in New Zealand.
He's not our tour guide, FYI.
What did you say? There is a chapel just.
Yep, seen it.
You seen it?
Yeah, small, very small.
Oh, awesome. We go in, and from that window you see one of the waterfalls on that side.
No way.
Yes. Oh. And then we drive further. We park, and then we have to walk a bit.
How'd you guys like my outfit? Okay, I'm a kiwi bird now. It's raining really bad. And my camera's gonna get super wet, but whatever. Okay, so the kiwi birds are ready to explore. Oh, I almost hit you in the face. Sorry. Yeah, we're ready to. Hey, don't leave us! Don't leave us! So we have 2 umbrellas for 6 people. That will do. This is so Twilight vibes. Anybody?
It is.
Yeah, it is. Like
the pickup truck.
yeah, the pickup truck. Oh, it makes me want to watch Twilight now.
Oh my god.
Forks, Washington. Okay guys, prepare. Literally, not joking. The best performance of your life is about to begin. I swear to you.
Return to the Mac. You know what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit and get up. A little bit of humble, a little bit of passion, somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby, so to get up.
Okay, somebody sign her up right now.
Y'all can't stop me. Go hard like I need a bit in my heartbeat. And I'm eating the beat, I'll give a little speech to break our shock, we walk.
So that was our quick stay in Christchurch. I didn't film more at the waterfalls today because it was raining heavily, as you saw, and I just didn't want to ruin my camera. But yeah, I'm back in the hotel, as you can see, with the uniform and ready to go back to Sydney. It's gonna be, I think, around 3 hours, so again, a very short flight, and I'm just gonna go straight to bed because yeah, we woke up really early this morning to go on this road trip, and I just really need to catch up on sleep because I feel like the tiredness and, you know, the exhaustion of this multi-sector is starting to gather up. I'm gonna hit the road now, and I'll see you back in Sydney. starting the last day in Sydney with some ginger lattes with this cutie here. Good morning. And juice, yeah. She got ginger latte and a ginger juice with strawberries, so she's not gonna be sick for a while. Good, good, good. We got some groceries. Mine is here. I'm gonna show it to you later. I'm back in the hotel now, and I just thought I'll quickly show you what I got in the grocery store. So I got some coconut water, yogurt. I've never seen this brand before, so I thought I'll just grab it and have it before the flight. I love buying milk alternatives like rice milk, oat milk, almond milk, and I never tried Australian alternatives, so I picked these two. And here we've got pineapple lamps. I know they're, I think, originally from New Zealand, if I'm not mistaken, but I've never tried them before, so I think they should be very nice. And these ones are so good. Somebody once brought them to us on board, and they taste amazing. Then just a protein bar and my favorite crackers. I just love them so much. Some macadamia oil for salad. I'm also getting ready for my vacation in May, so I picked 2 sunscreens, and yeah, 50 plus. I love Neutrogena. I've never tried this brand here before, so one is a spray and one is a lotion, so yeah, both are gonna be very handy for the vacation. Then about a month ago, I asked you guys on Instagram which self-tanning lotion you would recommend. Yeah, I picked up the Bondi Sands one because it's from Australia, and you guys said it was really good. I picked up the ultra dark one, although you guys I think recommended the light medium one, but I wasn't 100% sure if it's not gonna be too light, and I thought now that summer's here, you know, I'll be a bit more tan, so maybe this is gonna be better. Hopefully I will look fine. And I got some vitamin D and evening primrose oil, so yeah, those are my purchases. Okay, I'll need to pack everything later, but for now I am getting ready to go to a very cool place next to Sydney Harbour, and we're gonna get lunch there with Michaela, so I'll see you there. The waiting list for this restaurant is about an hour to get the table at the window, so we're looking at the menu, and I think we already chose what we want to eat. Everything looks amazing. Update, it's been 40 minutes, we're still waiting, and look at the queue. Crazy! Yeah, but it seems like a very popular spot here in Sydney, so, you know, a lot of people means that the food should be good. Okay, we finally got a table. Where's our food? We're starving. Okay, but it's really worth coming here. This view is incredible. Incredible. Thanks a lot. Wow. Thank you. Totally worth the wait. Yeah, it was so worth it. The what was it called? Green breakfast? Something with green. Super green. Super green. Yeah. Then we got the most beautiful waffles in this world. Flowers. And I got eggs by the wharf. I think that's the name. Coffee. Fresh juice. Cheers. It was like literally 10 out of 10. Right? Yes. 11 out of 10. Wow, even 11 out of 10, you see? So it's such a good place. Highly, highly recommended. I just picked up some stuff from Blog for my ballet class, and I'm heading back to the hotel. What a day and what a trip. This multi-sector has been amazing. I feel really grateful for this trip and the crew and the amazing memories we made. It's time now for my red lipstick and 14-hour flight ahead. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this long video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. See you in my next video. Bye!